Welcome to Setting Up Your Python Environment lesson. In this lesson, we'll cover the essential steps to set up your Python environment successfully. We'll walk through the process of installing the Python interpreter, explore popular Python distributions, and set up integrated development environments, or IDEs, such as PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. Additionally, we'll introduce online platforms like Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook that allow you to start coding in Python right away without any local setup. So first we'll cover installing Python interpreter. We'll visit the official Python website and navigate to the download section. We'll download the latest version of Python and run the installer. We'll also select the option to add Python to the path environment variable. Then we'll customize the installation if needed and complete the installation process. The next step will be using Python REPL. REPL is read eval print loop. So we'll open command prompt and use REPL, which allows you to run Python code line by line and see immediate results. You can perform basic operations, declare variables, and define functions in the REPL environment. And you can use built-in help function to access documentation and learn more about Python modules and functions. Next, we'll be talking about Python distributions. So Python has two major versions, Python 2 and Python 3. Anaconda is a popular Python distribution that includes Python and Conda package manager and a collection of data science and machine learning libraries. And there are also other distributions like Miniconda and WinPython. Next, we'll be installing integrated development environment, namely PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. And we'll take a look at online Python platforms like Google Colab. You can access Google Colab at colab.research.google.com using your Google account. And you can create a new notebook and start writing Python code right away in your browser. And another option is Jupyter Notebook. You can visit it on jupyter.org and try the online notebook without any setup. So by following the steps, which I'll provide in hands-on demo, you'll have a fully functional Python environment set up on your machine. You can choose to work with the Python interpreter directly, use an IDE like PyCharm or VS Code for a more feature-rich coding experience, or leverage online platforms for quick and easy access to Python coding environments. And please remember that the key is to explore and find the setup that works best for you. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tools and environments to enhance your Python learning experience. Now, with that said, I invite you to join me in the next demo lesson where I'll dive deeper into installing and configuring the integrated development environments we mentioned earlier. And we'll walk through the step-by-step process of installing PyCharm Community Edition and Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine, or you can use macOS or Linux machine.